Here's my recipe, my secret recipe for Pennsylvania Dutch filling, which if you don't know what that is, it's basically stovetop, but like your grandma made from scratch. So we start with the parsley, and then you do the onions and you dice them up real good and small. And I usually do 1 onion per 2 loaves. And parsley, I just grab a sprig and throw it in there, and it doesn't matter how much I make. And then you got your milk and your eggs. You mix them up into like egg milk milkshake. And I usually do, let's say, I don't know. This is one of those recipes, man. One of those recipes. But this is the point of that. You want yellow, thick milk. Bunch of eggs. A lot of milk. Probably half and half. Yeah, that looks like about what I did, half and half. So tons of eggs. It's a great way to use up your eggs if you've got backyard chickens laying a bunch. So your yellow milkshake right there. Delicious. You've got that, and then you add that right in with your onions and parsley. Oh, and did you see the salt and pepper? Yep, lots of salt and pepper. Mix her up. Isn't that delicious looking? I wonder if I could fry that up, but that'd be tasty. Lots of onion though, real strong on the onion. Then you mix it on your bread cubes that you made. You want to let those kind of like get a little stale, the bread cubes. I don't know if it makes a difference though, but that's the way the recipe was given to me. You let the bread get a little stale and then you dump it and you saturate it with that mixture. And and then you put it to rest for about an hour. Unrefrigerated. I mean, that's sketch, but you could do it overnight in the fridge. And then it's time to butter them up, butter them biscuits. So throw your butter in your pan, and then you fry the breading mixture in lots and lots of butter. That's literally the best part. Yeah, I tried to cook it because I had a ton of leftovers in a pot. That did not work. It's the frying in butter that makes it delicious. Pretty much anything you fry in butter is going to be delicious. I love butter. Anyway, yep, so enjoy it. I usually do this on a holiday morning, so it's kind of my go-to holiday celebration. But look at that. Everybody loves it. The kids come in the kitchen on holiday mornings, and they're like, oh, Mom, you got that stuff going. So if you want a recipe that's going to keep your kids coming home for holidays, this is the one.